Okay, this is my ceiling fan after the light repair. This is after the light repair. Although this piece can't be put back on because the switch is too short. So, yeah, that's too short there. But at least it works. A lot better than not hanging up. And, in my fireplace here. So, some bioethanol. It does have a blower too. You can turn that on. Got that to keep it warm in here. So it does get pretty cold. Sorry, my floor's squeaky. Room hasn't had a chance to warm up yet. My antique replica clock. And all the stuff on top. Fireplace. This one I actually got on clearance. It's mostly plain white, so I wanted to put some marble up here. And I like to put some mirrored mosaic tile or regular mosaic tile here because it's just a plain white. The only thing really is that it has this scroll, and then it has these pillars. That's all wood. You can actually make the room about 80 to 90 degrees in here, depending on how high I have it.